Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove your Outlook email from Gmail. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to outlook.cloud.microsoft. This will take you to the Microsoft Outlook web app where you can access your email account. Once you're on the page, log into your Outlook account if you haven't already. Wait for your email inbox to fully load before moving on to the next step. Now that your Outlook email has loaded, it's time to switch over to Gmail. Open a new browser tab and navigate to gmail.com. If you're not already signed in, enter your Gmail credentials to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in and can see your Gmail inbox, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. In the top right corner, you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu, and it's where you can customize how your Gmail account functions. Go ahead and click on this gear icon. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several quick settings options. From this expanded menu, look for and click on See All Settings. This option will take you to the full Gmail settings page where you can access more advanced configuration options. Once you're on the Gmail settings page, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Navigate to and click on the Accounts and Import tab. This section manages all the email accounts you've connected to Gmail, including any external accounts like Outlook. Under the Accounts and Import tab, scroll down until you find a section called Check Mail from Other Accounts. This is where Gmail lists all the external email addresses you've linked to fetch mail from. In this section, you should see your Outlook email address listed. On the far right side of your Outlook email listing, you'll notice a Remove button. Click on this button to begin the removal process. This action tells Gmail that you no longer want to check mail from this particular Outlook account. After clicking Remove, a confirmation window will pop up on your screen. This window is asking you to confirm that you really want to proceed with removing this account from your Gmail. Simply click OK to confirm and proceed with the account removal. Once you click OK, Gmail will immediately disconnect from your Outlook email and stop fetching messages from it. And that's it. You've successfully removed your Outlook email from Gmail, and Gmail will no longer check or import messages from that account. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.